Hey everybody, I'm Sean, and today I'm trying something a little bit different. It's actually a technique I've never tried before, but I got a pretty good feeling that it's going to work out, so I thought I'd share it with you guys. I've got this wood panel here, and I put a layer of clear gesso on it and sanded it down with a fine grit sandpaper to make it nice and smooth and easy to work with. And I put clear gesso because I really like these wood grains on here. I hope they show through in the paint, but if not, that's totally fine. And then I drew these very basic shapes of these two pine trees on here, and they're really not detailed because I'm expecting the shape to change quite a bit as I go. It was just to give me an idea, kind of some guidelines to follow. My goal for this painting is to make it look like it's the end of the day and there's a sunset, and the light from the sun is just to say hitting the tops of these trees, or the top half of the trees. So what I'm going to do is put a wash of color. So I'm going to use a lot of water with some paint, and I'm going to start with a light enough color at the top, a warm color, and it's going to fade into a darker color as it goes to the bottom of the trees. And I'm going to be pretty sloppy with it because just the brush strokes and different shapes that the brush makes, it's going to add a whole lot of depth and shadow to the trees, and you'll see that as we go. So with that being said, I'll get started and we'll see how it turns out. So the next step will be painting the sky. You can add clouds if you want. I'm just going to choose to use the solid blue negative space of the sky to kind of carve out the shape of the two trees. So after I've added a few more branches and some shades of green, I'll just continue using the color I used for the sky to carve out a few more little details within the two trees. So I really liked how this technique turned out. I think I'll probably try a few more paintings like this. At this point you could probably add more detail if you want with using the negative space of the sky or more branches, whatever. You could even use totally different colors. There's absolutely no right or wrong to this. And anyway, I had a really fun time trying this out. I hope you liked it. And if you want to see more, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. I'd really appreciate that. Thank you so much for watching. Cheers.